Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Ajeng Nuriardianti, NIM 18508047111020 dari Agrobisnis Perikanan.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun.
Sekian vlog saya tentang usaha perikanan di sekitar rumah saya. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.